B2, hold it low, let it breathe. Sub-bass river underneath. Contrabass soul in the cavern wide. Heartbeat slow like a cosmic tide. B2 to D3 rise. Shadow choir in the night sky skies. Ended syllables, velvet air. Foundation thick but floating there. Talks boom, cup pulse in the chest. Beatbox flicker in the low midness. B2 to F3 Greg nights. Gravity forming the grid of lights. Intent vector ascension call. Energy rising, never fall. Linear path through fractured time. Rhythm physics in steady climb. Void enters, B flame. Clear mid voice with a lucid name. Memory thread a simple line, echo returns like a sacred sign. Stack it higher, D4 glide, counter melody weaving inside. Thirds and fifths in tension spin, harmony bending from deep within. Oh, beat now, B4 shine, octave doubling a line, pad high, non start to swell, dynamic build like a rising spell. Silence for the break. Oh, silence for the break. Oh, silence for the break. Oh, silence. B4 cries in electric light, bass and mid in layered might. All voices phase in quantum stream, omni hyper resonant stream. Boom clap, pulse intact. Polyrhythms fold but never crack. Choir and glitch in fusion spin. Chaos lives but rule within our lead. Shadow texture blend, no role clash. They transcend. DJ scratch like time unsealed. Bend and beat equally revealed. Whispers drift in granular haze. Process growls in mirrored phase. Filter sweeps with purpose clear. No decorative sound, life's here. Reverse echoes, shimmered tone, yet harmonic field is known. B2 to B4 still confined. Emotion leading the design. Energy, gravity, upward flows. Never collapsing, only grows. Mode locked tight in sacred scale. Even in storm, the roots prevail. Oh, not the loudest, but the core, where low drone shakes the inner door. Mid-range melodies stripped and bare. High note trembling in open air. Ascension not in force alone, but in how the silence is shown. One last rise, sustained and bright, before faded into white. Layers fall like falling rain. High dissolves mid-refrains. Only B2 remains to guide. Soft sub-bass in endless tide. Oh, ambient, deep entry, complete foundation steady, calm, replete from ground to sky, then back to root. Quantum silence absolute. Oh, boom clap, pulse intact. Boom clap, pulse intact.